Emeroberia gwatamune timu ya Shabana FC nigaterura naisa negete nabagosori barase timu ya Shabana FC korona tebire buna nanyare ko bagakokora oburingori bwaime kweneke buna emechanira se timu ya Shabana FC onyare ko bagakonyegea satebire buna egosori ya litukuria Jumapili ya ligi ya FKF Premier League ase timu ya Shabana FC irarigane buna timu ya Nzoia Shuka chinsemo cha Sudi Stadium nanyare ko bagakobeka emeroberi bene kweneke buna Shabana FC yenyorero obuyo bwa bene.
I'm happy as a coach. Ukipata timu inafunga bao, then it is my duty kuona we don't concede a goal. Can we protect that goal? And that is specifically kitu ndaanza kufanya. So nataka tuwe very good in both phases. When out of possession, lazima timu yangu iwe very good. Then of course when we are in possession, tukienda ku attack, lazima timu yangu iwe very good. Yani so kuwe na balance kwa timu. And that is something I'm looking for. Once nimesotio, then I think we are ready to go. Because, I mean, we shouldn't let our fan base down. These guys deserve more. Now, ukiangalia, when I was coming here, a lot of people walikuwa wananiambia, Pamzo, make sure yenyewe Shabana wasiende down. Now, I believe yenyewe Shabana itaenda chini. Now we are thinking forward, especially our first game, my first game against Nzoia. I think tunacheza nyumba away. But we'll try as much as possible to chukua the 3 points and then to face game ya Ulinzi. Once tumechukua the 6 points, then tutatoka hapo kwa relegation. We face maybe hapo juu. And I think things will look bright. Things are bright so far. Na nimeongea na players, they're really raring to go.